Caroline Hobby, and to celebrate this year's Super Bowl, we're making a couple of recipes for your tailgate, one for each team. For the New England Patriots, we've got some lobster sliders, and for the Atlanta Falcons, some Dirty Bird for all you dirty birds. Up first, lobster sliders. Here's what you need. These are super easy to make. Set aside the butter and rolls, and then just mix all the ingredients together. Season with a little salt and white pepper, and you're good to go. Now just lightly butter the inside of each roll and toss them on the grill until they're golden brown. And that's it.
That's some wicked good lobster.
And now the perfect dirty bird. Here's what you need. This is really simple to make. It requires a little prep at home, but once you're at your tailgate, there's very little to do. Up first, you want to make the barbecue sauce. Just throw all the ingredients into a bowl and stir together. Lay the chicken out in a casserole dish and then pour half of the barbecue sauce on top. Cover with foil and bake in the oven for about 50 minutes on 350. With the magic of TV, it's baked. Now spread the rest of the barbecue sauce over the pre-cooked chicken. And it's grill time. At your tailgate, grill for about 7 minutes on each side. When you get grill marks and the sauce is caramelized, it's ready to eat. Rise up, Dirty Bird, rise up. Whose side are you on, Falcons or Patriots? Let us know in the comments and be sure to subscribe to Rated Red's YouTube channel. I'm Caroline Hobby.